I just want to show you an overview of what a real project might look like, and then I'm going to show you how to export that so that way you can share it. So we haven't talked about how to make folders yet. Um, in Premiere we call them bins, but you could store all your audio tracks in a bin, all your clips in a bin, um, and you can see all these different sequences that I have. This was for the band performance, so I did a video for the band. So each section has its own timeline. So I have middle school jazz band. That way it's a little bit easier. I can just focus on one section of it, and then I put them all together in um, this main sequence. All right, and so it's a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier to work with. Things are more organized. If I wanted to export just a duet, I could do that now. So it also gives me more options as far as is what I can do. All right, so in order to export, what we need to do is select the correct sequence that we want to export. In this case, it's the main sequence because that's my everything put together. All right, so from there, once that's selected, I go to File, Export, Media. And the big thing here, first thing you want to check is the format. You want to make sure it says H.264. If it doesn't, just click on this drop down and go ahead and select it. The next thing you want to do is click on the blue letters. And now you're going to select where you want to save this. You want to pick your folder and you want to give this some sort of descriptive name. And from there, you're just going to click export. Once you do that, it's going to, a couple dialog boxes are going to pop up. It's going to start rendering and exporting. This does take a little while. The bigger your video, the longer it's going to take. But from here, it'll make a .mp4 file, and that you can share in Google Drive. You could share that on YouTube, however else you want.